Happy morning, dear children. Today, let's study how to give a highlight to the sentences and all. Okay, so let's study. Here you can see one question paper, and I'm going to highlight this question. Okay, for that, first I want to select it. Okay, click the left button and drag it. So I select the full sentence. Then you can see here one icon A B, that is text highlight icon. Okay, so I want to click it. I want to click the drop down arrow, and here I can choose any color which I need. So green or blue or pink, dark blue, anyone I can choose here. So I choose the blue color. So this is the way of giving highlight to the color. So that is highlight color option. It is present in font group. Okay, so this group is known as font group, and font size, bold, italics, underline, then this which one, highlight color, font color, grow font, shrink font, everything else belongs to font group. Which tab? Home tab. Okay, now this is the ribbon of the home tab. If I want to remove that, first I want to select it. Okay, if I want to remove the highlight, just go and select the sentence, come here, click the down arrow, then click the no color option. Okay, so we can remove the highlight. Let's study how to do the superscript and subscript. Listen, in science you maybe study about water. Actually, what's the formula of water? Yeah, it's H2O. You know, H2O is the formula of water. If we are simply typing in the keyboard, we can type like this: H2O. H2O. Is it true? No, it's not true. So, how will you type H2O? Yes, that we are studying now. First, we want to type H, 2 is there, O is there. We want to write the 2 at the bottom of this H. Okay, so we want to write the 2 as the subscript of the H. For that, we want to select the 2 only. Click and drag, select the 2. And here you can see two options. This is the subscript option and this is the superscript option. So first I am going to click the subscript option. Now can you see this? It's correct. Next we want to study superscript. In maths, you may be study that x square. Is it? X the power 2. You may be study that. If we are simply typing, it will be like this. But it's wrong. It's x to 2, right? So I want to move the 2 as the power of x. So that I want to select the 2. And here there is, you can see the superscript option. I'm going to click it, left button. Now it's okay. This is x square. You will study in mathematics. X square, and this is H2O, right? So here I use the subscript option and here I use the superscript option. Next is bullets and numbers. For that, we want to go to the next group, that is paragraph group. Okay, it is clipboard group and this is font group and this is paragraph group. Okay, so these all groups are belongs to home tab. Okay, so font group is over and here it is paragraph group. And here you can see, yeah, here it is bullets. This is bullets and here it is the second one, that is numbers. Okay, I'll show you. I'm going to click the down arrow, these all are bullets. We can choose any of this. Okay, if I choose this, it will be like that. Click it. Okay, So it's there. I type pen. I'm going to type some things names. Okay, pen. Then I'm going to click enter. Okay, so the bullets will automatically come there. And school, enter. Then family, enter. Water. Can you say this? At a time we can use only one bullet. If I want to change it, just go and click here and choose anyone. I choose this, click. Okay. If I want to change again, just go here and choose another one. Okay, just go and click it. If I choose another one, yeah. So this is the use of bullets. Next is number. Okay, here I can choose numbers also. If I click here 1 2 3, it will be like that. If I choose this one, it will be like this. And Roman letters A B C B C A B C A B C, different types. Okay, if I want to choose anyone, just go and click it. This is the list of some materials. I want to add some bullets here. For that, I want to select all these names together. Okay, I want to select all these names together, and later I want to go here and choose anyone. Okay, I can choose anything here. I choose this one. Yeah. So this is the way of giving bullets after listing the materials names.